Welcome. If you wanna change function on your volume button on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10 in your camera, let's open the camera for sure and click here, then enter settings. And right now we have to scroll down and click on the volume buttons function. So currently it's set up on the zoom. So when we go back to our camera and we press the volume button on the right now, and it's zoom in, right? And it's zoom out. So let's go back to this function, and when we click on the shutter, so right now when we click on the volume button, it will just take a photo instead of clicking here. And you can also set up here the volume function, so you can just adjust the volume. And yeah, this is it. This is how it looks on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.